moving a lot, and I'm going to try to stabilize it. Got a shot of Fireball and strawberry daiquiri.
But it's July. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Give yourself a big round of applause. Come on now. Folks, with that in mind, my name is Orlando Magic, your cruise director. Can I get a hi, Orlando? And I'll be playing the role of DJ Magic. And to my left, I have one of my best assistants. Her name is Venus, but she'll be playing DJ V. V, check it.
Yes, you can call me DJ V as in peas, y'all.
Come on, give it up for Venus right there. Going live.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Radio Margaritaville
Live at sea. Jimmy Buffett's iconic Radio Margaritaville has made its way onto the ocean, but with their own special twists.
As in cocktail twist?
You know what, Pete? They've been drinking plenty of cocktails this cruise. The twist that I am talking about is with a live audience. Audience, can I hear you right now? Make some noise.
We also have our amazing cast. Come on. And look at that side. Our amazing band.
So, Paradise Cruisers, it is now time to hit the radio waves and get the show started. It is Radio Margaritaville, live at sea. You know what, Venus, he definitely had some adventures in the islands. Now the reason why I know this is because I can tell you about one adventure in specifics, because this happened in 1961 and I was there, I was present. Okay, nobody believed, but you know what, I'm gonna tell y'all anyways. Now folks, did y'all know that Jimmy wrote Jamaica Mistake after being mistaken for drug smugglers on the island? I was shy while on his plane. Now to add to this adventure, his friend Bono from YouTube was with him. The plane was called the Hemisphere Dancer.
Well, talking of dancers, let's welcome back our cast as we celebrate musical collaboration and acknowledge that today's artists are embracing some musical styles from the past decades.
So you know what, we talking about the past decades, see that's where I'm from. And being a DJ just makes me want to show off my cool dance move.
Oh yeah! Check it out!
Look at here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. Little does she know I'm a woman who's floating in front of the hand of the line. It's up before hey, what you say? Come on, and every place, so every melody, yeah, this is
Deluxes. Now, who among you remember those days? 9.
You know what, Venus? I know it's more than out there than that. I was standing by the door, I was watching y'all come in. People, quit lying to yourself. Y'all know y'all ages, okay? Stop it, okay? You know what, I'm gonna try something different, because I think I'm one of the best decades of music. Let's try this. Who out there loves 80s music? Make some noise right now. Well, the music of the 80s was certainly iconic. And for tonight's show, we've chosen some legendary hits that's gonna take you on a journey back to the time of being hair, leather, and lace.
And that's just what he's wearing. Okay, Paradise Cruisers. Are you ready for some rock and roll? I said, are you ready? So let's tune in and pay tribute to one of the first ladies of rock, Miss
Georgia.
is. And now, first I could kiss on me, yeah. You'll never know this all and how it feels. I never know that first I could kiss on me, yeah. Remember how it feels. Remember kiss on me, yeah. How it feels. Remember how it feels. And it feels so real. How it feels.
Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause. Come on, people. Come on, guys. If you like what you see, let them hear it right now. Wow. Well, talk about records spinning and taking music to a great height. That was a fantastic aerial performance. Wouldn't y'all agree? I can tell you one thing. There is something special in the air tonight.
There certainly is, and I think it's your aftershave. Well, Jimmy was always being called on by his celebrity friends to collaborate on music. I bet a lot of people don't realize how much he loved Latin music either.
So you know what, I love Latin music as well. And aboard this very ship, we have a lot of musicians from Latin America. How about the band? Give it up for the band. Now you know what? Talking about Latin music and Latin people, I remember something. I dated myself a Latin girl once. Really? And I can remember it like it was yesterday. I can remember her. She took me back to Colombia. She cooked my plantain, refried my beans and blew my mind.
Okay, well, let's leave him to his Havana daydreaming and turn up the heat as we see more musical collaboration and then hand it over to the Los Músicos Calientes. Vamos a subir el calor!
What does that even mean?
Hot musicians, turn the heat on!
I want to go back to Carnival.
Now folks, I must be honest with you, alright? I don't be really honest right now. This line that I have in the show is my hardest line because of my accent, okay? So here goes. This section right here certainly funked me right. Oh, did I say it right?
Yes.
Well, that's because that's not what I said. I almost lost my job. I can tell you that much. Thank God there was no kids here. I can tell you that, okay? Okay, I got a question for y'all. Who out there like country music? Make some noise right now. You like it? So we gonna try this again. I said, who out there like country music? Make some noise right now. Wow. The actual radio Margaritaville stations are located in some cool places. But my favorite place out of all is located smack dab in the center of Music City. That's right. Big round of applause for Nashville. Let's go.
Nashville hosts some amazing country artists and multiple celebrity musicians from different genres of music. Over the past decade, we have seen many amazing musical collaborations and crossover of country music with pop, rock, reggae, and even Latin, to name but a few.
You know what, V? You're definitely right. Now, folks, for this section of the show, thus far, is my favorite section of all. Now, see, some of y'all looking at me weird. Look at this guy looking at me weird. Like, favorite, this is not a word. I know, but I can make up words. You know why? I'm from Jamaica. My entire language is made up, so leave me alone. Here we go. Thank you. So, folks, this is my favorite section of all. So if you're there, I want you to stand up, kick off those boots or flip-flop. Start dancing as we celebrate some fun music, country style. Yeah!
Highway, my folks still with us.
I'm so tired. Fuck, give them a big round of applause. Come on, let me hear it one time. Wow. Come on, guys. One more big round of applause for the cast. Get me doing it. Let's go. Wow, that was so funny and crazy. That Blake and Pitbull remix of an old rock song, and they turned it into country pop. We'll talk about a musical mashup. Now, folks, did y'all know that Jimmy Corro, Blake Shelton, TDP, Armageddon?
Well, I did, and that is so cool. Paradise Cruisers. At this time, I am so sad to say that
What?
we are nearly to the end of this show.
Oh.
But do you want to see more?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, our show tonight, it has come full circle as we celebrate the music for a man that he had created, and he also inspired musicians around the world. And he continues to do so even to today. Now, Jimmy created a lifestyle from a song that he wrote that was inspired by a bartender mixing margaritas and the laid-back lifestyles of the islands. Now, that song put him on the map around the world.
From Jimmy surfing the waves to find inspiration, it's time for us to surf and tune in and listen to some iconic hits from the man himself.
enjoy the show. One more time.